Hello. Today we're going to explore how we can use the power of wind and water to help us. You know how energy makes things move and happen. Well, moving air, which we call wind, and moving water both have lots and lots of energy. And guess what? We can use this energy to do work for us, like making electricity to power our homes and schools. People have been using the energy of the wind for a long time. Think way back, and you might imagine people building windmills. They use these windmills to harness the wind's energy to do things like grinding grain to make flour or pumping water from the ground. Today, we can still use wind power because we have these amazing things called wind turbines. You can think of them as super windmills. However, they're much bigger and much more powerful. When the wind blows, it turns the blades of the turbine. And guess what the turbine is connected to? A generator. A generator is a machine that uses mechanical energy and magnetic energy and turns it into electricity. But it's not just wind that has energy, moving water does too. Long ago, people used water wheels. These were big wheels that turned as water flowed over them, and they used this movement to power machines in things like mills and factories. Today, we still use the power of moving water, but in a different way. We build dams on rivers. These dams hold back the water, creating a lake behind them. This power is called hydroelectric power. When we need electricity, we let the water flow through special passages in the dam. As the water flows, the water spins these things called turbines. And just like a wind turbine, these water turbines are connected to generators that again make electricity. So how does a hydroelectric dam work? Well, water flows from the lake or reservoir, and that water spins the turbine. The turbine then turns a generator, and that generator makes electricity. The electricity made from wind and water is super important. It helps us power our homes, our schools, and our businesses. It's what makes our lights turn on, our computers work, and lets us watch our favorite shows on TV. We use it every single day. Wind and moving water are powerful sources of energy. The best part is that we can use them to make electricity without burning fuels like coal or oil. That's really good for our planet because it keeps our air clean. Thank you for watching.